How to remove or delete your avatar on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove or how you can delete your avatar on Instagram. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to remove or delete your avatar, simply go ahead and open up Instagram and head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once here, you want to tap and hold on your profile at the top left there, and once you do so, you'll be here on this profile page. You want to tap on avatar. Now you can see it says add to profile picture your avatar. If you simply want to remove it from your profile, then you can disable it, so you can still be disabled. However, if you want to remove it or delete it permanently, then you can tap on the avatar section again. This time tap on edit avatar, and you shall be headed here to this page. Now just cross this, and on this page, on this edit page, you can tap on the three dots there, and you can see delete avatar option there. Tap on it and confirm it, and it'll be deleted and from all your synced accounts. This is how you can remove or delete avatar on Instagram. I hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.